Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So finally, the wait is over. Theory 4 notification is finally out. And honestly, I'm really happy because I have been waiting for this notification for a long time. The date of the examination is not mentioned, but the notification has given us the syllabus and the pattern of the examination. So the examination will be conducted in two phases, that is prelims and mains. In prelims, there will be 150 questions from general studies, and mains will be quite similar to TRE 3. There will be 80 questions from your subject, 40 questions from general studies, and 30 questions from Hindi. So now at least it's clear that so now the syllabus and the exam pattern is clear, and which is very important. So I think I should become more conscious towards my preparation for TRE 4. And along with TRE 4 preparation, I have decided that I will continue something else as well. Remember, recently I have completed 30 days challenge of speaking in English, where I spoke in English in front of the camera for every single day. Now I have taken another challenge of 60 days speaking in English in front of the camera, because those 30 days has improved a lot. I can see the improvement in me. I can see the difference. It has improved my confidence, and I think I feel that if I stop recording myself every day, I may lose confidence. So I just don't want to break this momentum, and I really want to continue this journey because I am not fluent yet. I'm still trying to be fluent. I still make mistakes. I still stuck. In fact, I get stuck quite often. And I just don't want to wait until I become perfect to speak. Instead of that, I want to continue speaking so that one day I could speak fluently. So from today, I'm going to start 60 days speaking in English in front of the camera. Let's see, I can speak on any topic. Like this time, I can speak. I can even tell a fictional story in my own words. So I can speak on any topic. I will try. Not I can. I will try to speak on any topic. I will just try to maintain the consistency so that I could not lose my confidence. So if you are also preparing for TRE 4, and if you don't want to give up on something like me, do let me know in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you tomorrow in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and stay consistent. Bye bye. And if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.